Man, forget this ish. I'll be up spending this money while you're sitting around wondering why you weren't getting up from nothing. I made it from the bottom. Now when you see me, ooh, so stunning. Now all my cars are with the push of a button. And you're telling me that I've changed since I blew up? Or whatever you call it? Switch my number to my phone so you can never call it. Don't need my name on my shirt because you already can tell that I'm ballin'. Swish. What a good shot. What a shame you could have gotten picked. You had a really good game. But you missed your last shot, so you're talking about who you see at the top, what you could have had. But now it's all over. How sad.